Hey there, my name is Hannah Agnes, and welcome to my Scratch training. So, this is an English quiz. This is very simple sentence structure that would be targeted towards beginner ESL students. I wanted to get creative and have fun, so this is very basic, and I can always go back and add more questions with a similar subject. So, let's go ahead and get going, and hopefully you can hear my narration all right.
Hello, my name is Miss Agnes. What is your name?
We're gonna be Jenny. My name's Jenny.
I am so glad to meet you.
Thanks.
Today we will learn about English. Learning is really fun.
Is it?
Let's start with a question. What is the subject of the following sentence? Steve loves stars. Is it A, Steve, B, loves, or C, stars?
I don't I'm gonna go with C, like the subject. Seems like stars could be the subject, right?
Oh, sorry. This is not correct.
Ah.
Let's try again.
Darn. Oh, I think I remember. Subject, verb, then object. So, it'd be Steve, am I right? Let's see.
Correct. You are very smart and I am proud of you.
Thanks.
Let's celebrate.
Hey. Okay, and that goes on for as long as the student wants. If they really want to celebrate their success, then they should have all the time in the world. Okay, thanks for watching my little training. I know it's goofy, it's very simple, but I think I really got down. I made my little dog dance. Like I think I've got this. You're awesome. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.